Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, reaching for your wallet, and finding your cash is useless. Not stolen, just invalid. This isn't science fiction. It is already happening. Governments around the world are quietly waging a war on cash. They tell you it's for safety. They tell you it's for convenience. But they are lying. The real goal is total control. When physical money dies, your privacy dies with it. Welcome to the era of the digital dollar. They didn't force us into this digital prison. We walked in willingly. We traded our freedom for the convenience of a swipe. Apple Pay, credit cards, instant transfers. It feels like magic. But every time you tap your phone, you are feeding the beast. You are creating a permanent record of your life, where you go, what you eat, and who you support. The trap is now set. Physical cash is the only thing standing between you and a surveillance state, and they are working overtime to remove it. Enter the CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency. This is not crypto. Bitcoin was built to free you. CBDCs are built to enslave you. Unlike cash, this digital money is programmable. Imagine the government deciding you've bought too much junk food this month, so your transaction is declined. Or imagine your digital wallet being frozen because you attended the wrong protest. With cash, you have autonomy. With CBDCs, you have an allowance from the state, which can be revoked at any second. The death of cash isn't just an economic change. It is a fundamental shift in human liberty. Once the last paper bill is burned, there is no going back. Every purchase, every donation, every movement will be tracked, recorded, and judged. The cage is closing, but the lock isn't clicked yet. Use cash while you still can, because true freedom is the ability to transact without permission.